Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a good Discord server. So basically what you gotta do is press the create a server button, then name it to whatever you want. I just named it Monkey Example for the purpose of this video. And then yeah, you name it like that. Then it'll say welcome to your server. Then, oh, I didn't mean press that button. Then you can edit it. Let's just say you want a picture from your thing. You just size it down to the thing you just want instead of the other stuff. Let me just get the right angle. Alright, boom, we got it. So then what you want to do next is, hold on, I'm thinking. Alright, so you go to that, press create category. I'm just going to put important for the purpose of this video. Then you do that. Then boom. Then you go to channels. Press sort. Categories. Then put important at top. If you want people to see like the rules and announcements first. Then do that. You can edit the name. I just put chat. You can keep it like that or name it someone else or chill. I put chill, but you can put chat, chill, whatever you really want. I'm not forcing you to put chill, but you can do whatever you want. Then voice channels, I'm just going to keep it voice channels. Then boom, like that. Then boom, you have a server not done, but it looks pretty good. Then you can change that to chill or chat, whatever you want. I'm not forcing you or anything. You can just do that. I'd put in emojis in your server so people can like, oh, this server is pretty colorful, and people will like it with emojis. So yeah, that's why I do emojis with my servers. So there's the first channel. And yeah, you can create another channel. If it's a YouTube server, then you can put self-promo. If it's a chill server, I'll do a video on that tomorrow. So I put emojis in that self-promo like that. Now let me just find a good self-promo emoji. Let me just find a good one. No. Let me find a good one. Ooh. Alright, that's a good one. So then, boom, you can, if you want to add bots to your Discord server, which I will once I have internet, I'll make a video on how to add bots to your server. You can put bot commands, which means you can put iRank, I play for like the music bots. iRank is Me6, Carlbot, Dinobot, whatever you really need, and I'll do a video on that, how to add bots. So I put bot commands, trying to find a good bot emoji. Haha, I found it. Now let me get to these guys. Let me use that purple weird alien thing, whatever that is. Now, there's really no other thing that you need to do. You can make a voice channel, but I won't do that for the purpose of this video. Make a role called whatever your YouTube name is called. Put what color you want. Then just give it all these things. Just give it all these things no matter what. Because you are the highest authority. You can kick, ban, etc. Then do that. Manage messages, all that kind of stuff. You can mute members, defend members, and priority speaker. You can do that. Then you exit out. Add another role. It's called admin, but I call it manager because admin sounds a little weird. Then put whatever color you want for admin. Then just give it all these things again. Just go, baby. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just click them all. Just click them all. Just click them all. Oh. Then yeah, you make a whatever you want your fan base to be called. Mine is the Monkey Mob. You can put members. Oh, that's members, but we don't talk about that. Then change it to whatever color you want. You have a good server so far. Not the best, not the worst. Oh, I forgot to give myself a role, but I'll do that in the next vid. You put self-promo to a 30-minute slow-mo, or you can put it to 6 hours. 6 hours is a little too much, and I'm not mean. So yeah, so it's basically almost done, but not quite done. So you press on the important one. Put for this thing, I'm going to put rules of the server. Now let me just press done, go to that, go to settings, go to permissions, go at everyone, read and send messages so no one else besides you and managers can type in it. So you put whatever your rules. For example, I'm going to put no racism or sexism. And yeah, those are the rules of my main YouTube servers. Then you create another server called announcements, which if you want to announce stuff like when you're going to upload and all that kind of stuff. Then, why is it 2 hours? Well, then you do the same exact thing, make it read messages, send messages. Then do that. You can make another called new vids where Me6 will tell you when you uploaded a vid. I'll make a video on that soon. Also, then go to new vids. Make sure to do that again. Yeah, I know it's a tough process, but once you get used to it, you'll be Gucci. You'll be Gucci gang, Gucci Mane. And yeah, you basically have a nice thought out server. Yeah, that's pretty much it to make a nice server. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll put my Discord server will be in the description below. My second channel Discord server will be in the description below. My Twitter will be in the description below. My Twitch will be in the description below. My second channel, YouTube channel, will be in the description below. Also, my TikTok will be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.